dear devotees, this is Rasika Preeti Devidasi from this beautiful farms of ISKCON Nilachal Vedic Village. In today's video, we are going to talk about the very frequently asked question to me is toys. Many people, many parents especially whom I'm associated with, keep asking me, my daughter is so and so age, what kind of game should I gift her, what kind of toy can I buy for her, okay? Why is it such a pressing question and why is it so important, okay? Let's look at it, okay? So when a child is growing, let's understand growth of child a little bit. So when a child is growing, 0 to whatever age, the maximum brain development is happening by the age of 3, okay? 3, 4, 5 के बाद थोड़ा slow होने लग जाता है, but 3 is the age where the maximum brain development happens, okay? And what do we do in this time? Nothing, usually. Usually we spend our money, our time in after 3, 4. After, क्योंकि स्कूल डालना है, कॉलेज जाना है, वो सारे टाइम पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम एंड मनी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं for brain related activities and we don't do much, we don't think about much when we are doing it with a child. एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. अगर आपका बच्चा बटन वाले कोई टॉय से खेल रहा है, ठीक है, जिसमें बहुत आवाज आती है, the child will get entertained, no doubts, okay? But what is happening here? एक बटन दबा रहा है and he is waiting to be entertained. वो वेट कर रहा है, okay, now मेरा एंटरटेनमेंट होने वाला है. खुद से कोई एफर्ट ले रहा है? नहीं, zero efforts, okay? एक और another thing is, अगर मैं बच्चे को एक कार लाके दूं, चलो ये बटन वाले इलेक्ट्रिक टॉयज को जाने दो, एक मैकेनिकल कार ही लाके दूं जो हाथ से चलाना है, उससे क्या होगा? बच्चा, वो कार उस बच्चे के लिए सिर्फ एक कार है, ओके? सो एन इलेक्ट्रिकल टॉय विल कॉज द चाइल्ड टू जस्ट स्विच ऑन अ बटन एंड वेट टू बी एंटरटेन्ड विदाउट टेकिंग एनी एफर्ट, ओके? And a mechanical car will only act as a car, thus limiting the creativity and imagination of your child. Now what happens if you don't give any of this? ये दोनों में से कोई भी टाइप का खिलौना मत दो. कुछ लकड़ी के टुकड़े, घर का कटोरी, चम्मच, ब्लॉक्स, ये सारी चीजें आप रख दो, ठीक है? और रेनबो स्टैकर्स, देयर आर सो मेनी वुडन टॉयज अवेलेबल which don't necessarily have a specific purpose, they are just random shapes and blocks, okay? So when you keep that, what are you doing? अब इसके साथ मुझे मजा करना है, that is what the child is thinking. बच्चा सोच रहा है कि अब इसको मुझे entertaining बनाना है. So what are they going to do? They are going to use their imagination. They are going to try and make fun of it. So they are exercising their brain, they are exercising their creativity, they are exercising their mind and creating fun out of random pieces of wood. What do you think is going to help your child more? Is it the game toy that they played, one button and be entertained and then battery over, patak diya, tod diya and cry over it? Or is it this particular toy? Even toddlers, small babies, of course they will be, you know, the worst is the mobile phones that people show. बच्चों को मोबाइल फोन में वीडियो लगा के दिखा देते हैं and they are entertained, they are walking towards mobile phone. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. You're spoiling, you're damaging your child's mind. You're not helping your child in any way and I'm just declaring it to you. कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपने 10,000 का गेम क्यों ना लाया हो, वो बटन दबा के चलाने से कोई एनर्जी, कोई मेंटल डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो रहा है आपके बच्चे का. Real developed minds come from where the mind is forced to think, forced to find fun, forced to look for it, okay? This is about the toddlers, okay? I'm just covering the topic very briefly, you know, we can discuss about this, but this video will go on for hours then. So this is the basic idea you should keep in mind. You have to help your child's motor skills, make them responsible, make them confident, make so many things, so many qualities you can give to your child in their childhood, you know. आप बच्चे को पानी का ग्लास हैंडल करने देते हो? 1 साल के बच्चे को नहीं देते मोस्टली, बिकॉज वी फियर पानी गिरा देगा, मेस हो जाएगा, पोछना पड़ेगा. Why? It's okay ना, let them handle, let them play, let them put from one glass to other glass, करने दो उनको. They will learn the balance, they will learn to be balanced about how much time I should pour it, how to drink it. They learn it. They should have access to taps, जहाँ पे वो टैप खोल के पानी भरे और फिर टैप बंद करे. They should have all these access. It's very important, you know, to let them do things on their own. Encourage them to, you know, wear their caps on their own, wear their shoes on their own, wear slip-ons, buy slip-ons for them, let them wear it on their own. After 1.5 years, you can start doing this. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो बच्चे खुद से करते हैं ना, वेट पेशेंटली, थोड़ा 5 मिनट आप जल्दी प्रिपेयर कर लो, कहीं जाने के लिए लेट हो रहा है, 5 मिनट दे दो बच्चे को, उसको खुद से जूता पहनने दो. Whatever age group, when they are learning to do it, let them do it. जब करने के बाद वो सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट आता है ना, दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक देम कॉन्फिडेंट. नॉट यू पुटिंग इट, अरे तू रहने दे, मैं पहनाती हूँ, कितना टाइम लगा रहा है, मैं पहनाती हूँ. This way what will happen? You are telling your child subconsciously, you are not good enough. You'll always have to depend on me to get your work done. So, okay? So when you are buying toys, remember these things. Is this toy? ये बेसिक रूल है. You don't have to ask ये टॉय खरीदू वो टॉय खरीदू. ये बेसिक रूल है. Evaluate for yourself. Is this toy going to make my child think, or it's going to just is it spoon feeding for them? Okay. So whenever you find a toy which is spoon feeding, like flashcards and so many things, just avoid it altogether. Okay. For grown-ups, a little grown children, you know, small, after 2-3 years, what kind of toys? Same thing, just give them random blocks, random pretend play toys, rather than nothing which has electricity, जिसमें बैटरी लगती है, is not good for your child. जिसको इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज करना पड़ता है, is not good for your child. Just remember that. Don't buy toys with musical, वो ढैं 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 गिटार खरीदने से अच्छा है, you rather buy a nice xylophone for them, or a string instrument where they actually play, naturally sound comes from it instead of something electric. Stop depending on technology too much. Okay, do things with your hands. Another reason, let them play with mud. Let the children play with mud, let them play with clay, something that is natural, not artificial. Natural mud, natural clay. Now sometimes क्या होता है, मट्टी में खेलने से हाथ का moisture कम हो जाता है. Okay, so I am not saying you put them in the mud for 3 hours a day. Put them in the mud for half an hour a day. Moisturize the hand, apply coconut oil. It's okay, nothing wrong will happen with that. My children play in mud all the time. Nothing happens. Okay, when they connect with mud, they connect with so many textures. You know, nowadays you have those sensorial mats. People go to mall and pay for it. 1 minute चलने के लिए. There are different kinds of textures. They keep sand, they keep stones, they keep pebbles, they keep grass, and then they keep a flat concrete surface. Or what different textures जिसपे बच्चा चलता है, so that their feet feels the sensorial activity. What happens when they play in mud? They get soft mud. कभी कंकर आते हैं, घास में खेलते हैं, texture पता चलता है. ये texture feel करने से palms में, you know, their senses are getting activated. And your palms are directly connected with the brain. So the more these palms do work, the more you work with hand, the more you relax. Okay, chanting, you're moving your beads with your fingers. When you chant, it relaxes you. Of course the mantra has another level of beautiful effects on your mind, but it's a basic thing. When you chant, it's a rhythmic activity. You're repeating the mantra again and again. It's a rhythmic activity technically, and that calms you down. So playing in the mud is a good option. Playing with household things is a good option. Pretend play, dupatta, sarees, and so many pieces of cloth. You can, you know, just take a handkerchief, put another ball of handkerchief, tie a rubber band to it, make a doll puppet. Show creativity to their child. You don't have to buy. I never buy toys for my kids. Never. I only keep which are going to be helpful for the child. So now my family friend know they'll not buy toys for my kids. So you have to let them know why is it important. You know, even Barbie dolls are a big no-no for young kids, because if you look at a figure of Barbie doll, it's like a full-fledged girl's figure, which is not good for your child to identify with. Make your children draw. We'll talk about this more in detail when we are covering drawings about your kids, how to know the level of your child's growth through their drawings. But when we make them draw, notice how they draw human figures. You know, you'll understand a lot. How they perceive human body is like one circle for the face generally, or square they'll make depending on how they perceive a person's face. Then they'll make something in the middle, which is usually a scribbled thing, which may be a circle or a square box, right? And stick hands and stick feet they make. What does this tell you? This tell you that is how they are perceiving a body of a human being. Okay, that is the children, young children, small children, up till the age of 6 and 7, they are not fully into their body yet. They are still connected more at the level of soul. They are still from the soul. They are looking at a body as a machinery, that they are like a car. They are sitting in a car, so they are still figuring it out. So दूसरी कार को जैसे देखते हैं, it's a very rough perspective. They haven't fully identified and perceived the body. And when you give a Barbie doll, it evokes them, like it speeds up the process of identification with the body before time. उससे क्या होता है? There is a hormonal imbalance, and that is one of the reasons why girls are getting early periods, boys are having these mood swings, and lot of different rage is coming up soon. Their children are angry. Music is a part of it. These kind of toys are a part of it. You have to be very careful about what kind of even toys you're giving it to your child. You know, that also helps in their development. Okay, so I think we can talk a lot about toys, but I think I'll have to end this video here. So if you like it, like the video. If you think it's of value to somebody, please share it. If you really want to get more contents like this, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon with another informative topic like this in the journey of parenting. Till then, Hare Krishna.